Now, if you're doing any type of ceramics, you have to make sure that you're putting the ceramic down on the right type of surface. Alan has some great tips for us.
I'm sitting here with April, who has a very common flooring project. What are we doing today?
We're putting down some porcelain tile today to try to update the bathroom.
April and I have already removed the toilet, scraped the old floor, and measured the space. But instead of cutting cement backer board to cover it, we're using a polyethylene membrane underlayment from Schluter called Ditra. The first thing you'll notice is that it's a lot easier to cut than backer board. No power tools, just a utility knife. Installing it's pretty easy too. We just mix up some thin set, and in this case, it's fortified with a polymer like latex, and we spread this out all over the subfloor in the bath. This adhesive will form a bond with the anchoring fleece that's on the back side of the membrane. And this stuff is also easier to trim tightly around the edges, and since it's waterproof, it's going to be ideal for this bathroom application. From here, the process is much like any other tile project. You lay out the center of the room and just start laying tile. This time we're using thin set without latex to bond the tile to the Ditra. As the cavities in the membrane fill up, they form dozens of tiny little columns that support the tiles. The membrane will absorb any movement in the subfloor without creating cracks in the tile or the grout. All in all, pretty cool system. Okay, we still got to grout it. We need to clean it. What do you think so far?
Excellent. But we really shouldn't be in here right now, huh?
No, we just put the tile down. They'll shift a lot. We need to get out of here.
Well, let's head to the kitchen.
Food?
Oh no, I didn't tell you we're gonna do the kitchen floor too.